Hi, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be unboxing Ultra Sun Ultra Moon that I pre-ordered. On the side it says Nintendo 3DS, and on the back shows the protagonist, the male and the female, Popplio, Litten, and Wowlet. That's very cool, and it shows you Ultra Sun Ultra Moon. So it's gonna be kind of hard to do because I have one hand open. So let me do this. So first I got Pokemon Moon, which is very cool. I have it in my DS right now. I will make a gameplay in tomorrow. And plus there's the I Pokemon Moons in there, and it shows a lot of detail. Oops. Yeah. Next, I have. Oh yeah, this is a card. You get special little artwork cards. So you get them. So you can get a Mewtwo, Lugia, Elho, Kyogre, Groudon. This one. Hold on. I forgot. Stick with me here. Reshiram. There's Reshiram. Who's this? Oh, Zekrom. Don't know. Solgaleo, Lunala, and new Dust, Main, Necrozma, and Dawn Wings, Necrozma, and there's a new Dust from Lycanroc. And we have the Pokemon Ultra Sun Ultra Moon. Oopsies. Pretty cool. So, anyway, thank you so much for. Hi, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm really happy that you guys got to tune in. And if you guys really can show the support, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. If this happens to be your first video you've seen by me, just hit that subscribe button right down there. And add a like down there. Anyway, if nothing else, goodbye.